You should not be solving every problem for them. If you're stepping in before you've even given them a chance, they start, boot up their brain. Absolutely not. You're creating a dependent child. Buying everything that they ask for, and like I said, even if you can afford it, you should not be buying your child everything that they ask for. You're creating entitlement. Confusing wants with needs. Like, oh, that brand new iPhone is not a want anymore. It's become a need. Oh, the brand new sneakers that just came out, it's not a want anymore. Oh, I have to have them. The brand new bag, the brand new this, the brand whatever the case may be, it's now become a need. Like they have to have it. Absolutely not. That is still a want, not a need. Never allowing natural consequences. When we dive in to shield our children from consequences, we are creating monsters. We have to let them feel the pain of their mistakes. That way they will learn. Like my husband says, pain retains, right? If you want your kid to learn something, you got to let them feel a little bit of pain. Doing everything for them instead of teaching them. Yeah. So in the beginning, yes, you're doing everything for your kids, right? You're serving them, you're feeding them, you're doing all the things. But after a while, your kids should be able to get their own plate. They should be able to pour their own milk in their cereal. They should be able to put their own dish into the sink, right? They should be able to help you start cooking simple meals. They should be able to throw their own clothes into the washing machine or pull it out of the dryer. Maybe take the little vacuum cleaner and push it around, right? You can't do everything for them. Start letting them do little things. The little things that they're capable of at a young age is going to show them that they have a lot of capacity. And then thinking that financial education can wait until they're adults. If you waited to 18, you're late. You already missed the boat. And hopefully you can do some catch up. But the younger your kids are, the better they're going to turn out if you start talking to them now.